Here we have an annual calendar which shows each month and the number of days in the month, and then there's also the zodiac sign at the back. And this is the driving force to alter the difference between Greenwich Mean Time and this side, which is the sundial time. And you've got two shutters which come up and down against the two 12-hour indications to give you the length of the day and the length of the night, which obviously changes in the seasons as it goes up and down. And then you've got a regulation for the dial to bring it to time. And look at the lovely incised background, all fire gilded, three-dimensional star in the casting. On the top right-hand side, you've got the strike silent, which allows you to switch off the striking at night by just turning it round to the silent position. So now it won't strike at night, but again, a beautiful engraved silver dial surrounding the three-dimensional star. On the sundial time, Tempus Aequale, you've got to remember that clock is going round this way, whereas on the other side it's going round that way. So Williamson not only has to make the equation of time, the difference, which is about a quarter of an hour in the February period, but he also has to reverse the rotation of this clock to make the hands go round the correct way. So it's quite a complicated mechanism, said he, is the understatement of the clock.